So we've got the Weofly Curve smartwatch. Thanks Weofly to send this over for a quick review. Basically, we have the watch already, unboxed. So if you guys are interested into watching this unboxing with all its content inside the box, link in the description. Now let's dive into this watch. This watch is having a 1.4 inches of 60 Hz AMOLED screen, which is already quite impressive. Most cheaper watch isn't having such quality, so it feels like cheap. This one is having also an AOD feature, means always on display. That's another feature. Now the body of this watch is metal with the silicone strap, and they even have the strap branded. The watch is also IP68 waterproof and dustproof rated. At the back side have an SpO2 sensor, BPM as well, and charging pins at the bottom. Now looking at the side of the watch, you will have at the bottom a customizable button, and at the top is the rotating crown, and it's also having a button as well. Now the watch also additionally has a mic and a speaker, so you can have a Bluetooth calling option. And by the way, this watch has a Bluetooth 5.3 hardware. The watch, you can pair this with an Weofly Fit OS app. It's supporting Android and iOS. It's got all the health measuring features in this except for the ECG. It also supports 178 sports mode. It's also got 300 mAh of battery. Basically it can last typically about 7 days, and it comes in two colors. One is a black and you can say a bit yellow, and all that for $30. So at this price range, it's a pretty impressive watch. Yeah, you can even change the face watches by just rotating at the crown like that, and even the menu up and down scroll without using your fingers if you prefer it that way. So if you guys are interested into purchasing this watch, affiliate link in the description. And what do you guys think about this one? Comment below. Subscribe to this channel also would be great. Catch you guys in the next one.